Hello, friends, and welcome back to Law Buddy. Today, we'll be dealing with the topic that is the Charter of 1600. It is a topic under our legal Indian and constitutional history. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, India's real legal history started with the arrival of the East India Company in the year 1600. The East India Company, with its official title as the Governor and the Company of Merchants of London, trafficking into the okay sorry, there's a mistake in this PPT. It's just London trading into the East Indies. Was incorporated in England on 31st December 1600 by a charter of Queen Elizabeth, which settled its constitutional powers and privileges. The company was to have a span of 15 years. The charter could be revoked earlier by the Crown on 2 years of notice if the trade carried by the company did not appear to be profitable. So जो इंडिया की जो रियल लीगल हिस्ट्री है, it started after the arrival of the East India Company in the year of 1600. It came with the official title, which was the Governor and Company of Merchants of London, trading into East Indies. And the company was incorporated on 31st December 1600 by one of the charters by the Queen Elizabeth, which settled some constitution powers and privileges for the company. Initially, the company had the lifespan of just 15 years, and the crown could revoke the company on the 2 years of prior notice if the trade made by the company doesn't found to be profitable. The company was to enjoy an exclusive trading right. So company को मतलब it was enjoying an exclusive trading rights because it was the only company which was given this much privileges by the Queen Elizabeth, the then crown, right? So the company was allowed to trade between the countries lying beyond the Cape of Good Hope from eastwards through the Straits of Magellan via the sea route. No British subject was permitted to carry on any trade within this area without a license from the company. अगर किसी भी मर्चेंट को जैसे ट्रेड करना होता था, the merchant was not permitted to trade without the license from the company. Which company? The East India Company. Unauthorized British traders were liable for future of their merchandise and ship. Obviously, अगर देखो उनके पास में लाइसेंस नहीं रहेगा, तो the East India Company has the rights to seize all the materials, including their ships and all, right? The affairs of the company were to be concluded on democratic lines. Obviously, जो भी affairs वगैरह मतलब जो भी issues वगैरह होते थे company के, they should be concluded on a democratic lines, right? All of its member were from the general code. उसके जितने भी मेंबर होते थे कंपनी के, they were from a general code. All these members general code were elected annually. The the court of director consisting of governor and 24 directors for managing the company's affair. So ये जो कंपनी के members जो थे, they used to elect the court of directors, which includes one governor and 24 other directors of the for the company to manage the company's affair, right? So hierarchy ऐसी होती थी: court of directors, governor, then 24 directors. ठीक है? The governor and the director were to hold the office for 1 year. जो governor और जो director होते थे, उनके पास position ये जो होती थी after being elected, it was just for 1 year. The general court could remove any of them before the expiry of this term. जो जनरल कोड होता था, वो डायरेक्टर और गवर्नर को रिमूव कर सकता था उनके पोस्ट से उनके टर्म खत्म होने से पहले ही, अगर वो डेमोक्रेटिकली काम नहीं कर रहे होंगे या वो थोड़ा बायस्ड होंगे, तो उनको ऑब्वियसली रिमूव कर सकता है एंड कैन इलेक्ट न्यू पर्सन्स टू फिल द वैकेंसी फॉर द रिमेनिंग टाइम, और एंड कैन इट कुड इलेक्ट अ न्यू पर्सन for the remaining time period, because अगर वो नहीं रहेगा तो कंपनी काम कैसे करेगी, right? The governor and director should be there to look after all the affairs of the company. So let us talk about now the legislative power which the East India Company had. Sorry. The charter authorized the company in its general code to make, ordain, and constitute laws, orders, and constitutions for the good governance of itself, its servant, and for the better advancement and continuance of its trade and traffic. The company was allowed, the charter authorized the company in its general code. तो जो चार्टर था क्वीन एलिजाबेथ ने जो निकाला था, चार्टर ऑफ 1600 फॉर द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, उसने अब जनरल कोड को अपने जनरल कोड में ये बताया, कंपनी को परमिशन दी थी कि यस यू कैन मेक सम लॉज फॉर द गुड गवर्नेंस ऑफ योर कंपनी and can carry on with them. However, the laws and punishments were to be reasonable and were not to be repugnant to the laws or customs of England. जो भी laws और punishments होती थी, they should be in coordinates with the laws of England, the English laws, right? Obviously, the East India Company is from England, so it should work with the laws of the England, right? The legislative power thus conferred on the company was very limited and restricted in scope of character. जो भी legislative powers वगैरह थी कंपनी के पास में, they were very restricted from scope and जो भी उनका character वगैरह था. Why? Next point पे पता पड़ेगा. Because punishments imposed for infringement of laws could only be fines and forfeitures and imprisonment. बिकॉज जो भी पनिशमेंट ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के जो वो जो कोर्ट है, जनरल कोर्ट देगा, इट जस्ट नीड टू बी सम फाइन्स, फॉरफिचर्स और इम्प्रिजमेंट. No harsher punishment such as capital sentence could be prescribed, and thus serious crimes such as murder etc. could not be dealt with the company law. ये बहुत एक और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है. तो ये जो कंपनी थी ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, वो इनिशियल टाइम पे हार्शर पनिशमेंट्स नहीं दे सकती थी, लाइक कैपिटल सेंटेंस वगैरह, व्हाट वी कॉल इन लेमन्स लैंग्वेज फांसी की सजा एंड ऑल, राइट? और इसी वजह से जो क्राइम्स थे सच एज मर्डर एंड ऑल, they could not be dealt with by the laws of company, the East India Company, right? The charter made no references for the governments of the territory. Thus, no territorial powers were given to the company. जो चार्टर था उसमें कोई रेफरेंस नहीं था कि कंपनी किसी भी टेरिटरी को रूल कर सकती है. इसी वजह से उनको कोई भी टेरिटोरियल पावर नहीं दी गई थी. किसे? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को. I hope you enjoyed the video and you understood the concept, right? So bye bye. Have a good day.